This is John. Do you find yourself hard to do many everyday activities as John? Such as walking, standing up, crackly sound that is heard when the knee moves? If you get any symptoms, you may experience from a very common but frequently overlooked condition, knee osteoarthritis. Though cartilage damage is widely considered as the cause of knee osteoarthritis, it's not necessary to be the truth. Latest findings in our research show that knee osteoarthritis can develop from a tiny hole, called bone cyst, in the subchondral bone area. Once there's a bone cyst, the stress distribution will be changed. More stress will be induced in the knee, causing cartilage damage. And that cartilage damage will cause more stress and then more bone cyst, resulting in a vicious circle. Patients will experience progressive pain with reduced mobility. According to Arthritis Foundation, more than 50% adult will develop the symptoms in a lifetime. And more than 10% of elderly all over the world right now are suffering from osteoarthritis. Although there are a number of treatment strategies, such as physiotherapy, acupuncture, glucosamine and hyaluronic acid injection, which help relieve the pain and disability caused, none of them can halt the progression of osteoarthritis. Eventually a risky and painful total joint replacement must be performed. As the aging population is growing, more and more people will suffer from osteoarthritis. There's an urgent need for a true solution. Meet Novus Osteofill. Osteofill is a groundbreaking injectable bone cement we developed from conventional formulation for curing knee osteoarthritis by rooting out bone cysts. With nanotechnology, Osteofill can fill up the bone cysts and let knee bones regain the mechanical properties as natural bones, preventing further damage to both bone and cartilage, thus halting the progress cycle of osteoarthritis. Unlike existing models, Osteofill isn't injected to bones via tubes. Instead, Osteofill has ultra-low and adjustable viscosity which allows it to be injected via very fine needle into different regions of small bone defect. This allows ultimate flexibility in surgery and create wound with minimal size. Osteofill doesn't end there. Coated with calcium phosphates, Osteofill shows better bioactivity and biocompatibility when compared to the existing ones, speeding up recovery and allowing patients to regain functionality in a much shorter period of time. Does it sound exciting? At Novus, we continue to receive numerous honors and awards for our innovative R&D projects and growing strength. Meet our team and find out more. With our technologies, let's cure osteoarthritis and get back our lifestyle.